Congrats on 100 subs, by the way. We couldn't get to you before. Sorry about that. Who are you? I'm just a program of you, so don't worry about that. Let's get up. We got some people to fight. Who should I fight? What is this? So I have to get 110 kills so as to get out, right? Okay. What kind of bots are these? What the heck? He looks like me. Is this real? Cause it feels so. Yeah, kind of. What do you mean it's real? Surprise? If anyone hits 100 subs, I have to bring them. Wait. What? You finish this, you can go home. Relax, okay? Relax? You're kidding me? Come on, dude. You just don't have to be tensed. I am tensed, dude. Where did the barrel go? Yeah, I think another guy broke it. Seriously? Kind of. What do you do with the phone? Wait, I think I got it. Hitting that sub button and that bell icon might help. That's it. Make sure you guys subscribe and like.